Hi, this is Karen and welcome to another crafty Christmas at dolallycrafts. This is the sample where I'm making today, this is the box I'm making today, and this is one of the special slider boxes that have been going around for ages on Pinterest and on videos here on YouTube. This one I have made specifically to fit one of these Liviana double rich chocolate bars. I thought they'd make a great table favour, but as you can see, unless you really pull on the ribbon, the chocolate bar's not going to pop out. So it will make an ideal gift to hang on the Christmas tree. If you've got people that drop in unexpectedly around Christmas or between Christmas and New Year, and you want to give them just something special, something small to celebrate the season, as they say, it's better to give than receive, these make ideal gifts to hang on the Christmas tree. And if somebody comes along that you don't have a present for, but you'd like to just give them a bit of sentiment for the season, just grab one of these off the Christmas tree. Really easy to make. As I said, it carries one of the Liviano double rich chocolates, and you can use it making scraps. All the sizes can be found on my blog. This piece is 5 1/4 by 4.5 inches. I also had a piece of scrap, like this one is from the All Is Bright DSP. This is from the Santa's Workshop, and even though the reds aren't a match, I still think it looks really cute with these little elves going across. And I had some of the old gold washi tape from last year, and I just thought, no, I'm going to line the bottom of the thing so they're walking along the gold line, because I wanted to use this trim. And this is from last year as well. However, it's discounted on our clearance rack at the moment. I don't know how much is left, but here in Australia you can still get it, and it's fairly reasonable. So I thought that will go really cute with that, and just gives a pop of colour to the red. Okay, I'm going to bring in my scoreboard, and we're going to score this. And we start off by scoring at 1/2 inch on the long side. Hang on. Is that the long side or the short side? Karen, which one are you going for? No, that's definitely it. So if you've got it in landscape mode, score it at 1/2 inch. Then turn it to portrait mode, and then you can score it at 1.5, 2, 3.5, 4. So they're all the score marks. We'll pop that aside, bring in my bone folder, and quickly, you don't need to press hard to do the reinforcing, because it is only DSP, it's not cardstock. So just score along all of the fold lines, like so. And your box is almost all together. Okay, I think we've got a better view of the score marks on this side. So this end one, we're going to take the square out and wedge into that last 1/2 inch score, 1/2 inch piece there. And then for the rest of these, just cut them up like so. And that's all the cutting. And we're just going to fold those two pieces in, bring the box round, and that is virtually the whole thing done. Okay, let's bring in some tape, and because it's paper to paper, I'm just going to use some double-sided tape. I'm going to put some on those 3 pieces, and then that last one will be fine. And I've just realised I've stuffed up. It should be on that one, and that one, because that is our front fold. But it's going to have to go in the back this time. So we'll just separate those. I'm going to bring this piece over, and then bring this piece over, match it up, and give it a good press. And then we will bring in our 2 sides, and then fold over, make sure you try to keep it as square as possible and just fold that last piece. I'm going to stick my longer bone folder in and just make sure it's well and truly pressed. Now, all I need to do here is press these two pieces together, bring in, now I've got a 1/4 inch hole punch that I'm just going to punch a couple of holes with, and because I pressed the paper together, I've got them at the same height. Okay, we're going to bring in our Liviano, and I'm just going to pop it in there for a moment, and then cover the back of this with lots and lots and lots of tape to make sure it's going to adhere well. And I'm going to centre our main elf there, and I'm not even scoring or putting any type of fold on there. So bring that in, and there we go. So that's the front piece decorated, and I've got something else to decorate. I've got that piece to decorate something else with. I'm going to bring in, get the Liviano out, and pop the ribbon straight through the two holes. That's it. Go on, go through, go through. That's it. Okay, so we've got them going through both holes. That end's a bit sticky because that was the end of the whole roll. Okay, pop the Liviano in. I don't know whether you saw what I did then. I just had the ribbon going across the top there, and I'm just going to poke the Liviano in on top of it, and there we go. Now, I'm going to tie a knot just at the top there, like so, and then bring this up and then tie another knot just in the end here, so that this can slip over a tree branch. Trim off the end, and there we go. Okay, I'll bring in the original with the large elf. You could add more decoration to that, but I think that looks quite cute on its own. How about you? What I might do is just to add a little bit of bling. Okay, I'm looking for my pokey tool. It doesn't want to pick up. Okay. Oh. I had it upside down. That's what I get for making this without my glasses. Okay, one. I'll just pop that one there. Okay. Very simple decoration on that one, but I hope you like it, and I hope you've enjoyed today's project and you'll give it a go. As I said, they make really nice little gifts just to hang on the Christmas tree for when you've got somebody call in that you weren't expecting or you didn't have a present for, and there you go. You've got a present for them now. It might be something small, but as the saying goes, it's better to give than to receive. Okay, that's enough from me for today, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.